Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Beige. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and comment down below before you leave. Today's video is going to be a tutorial on this wig. This wig was sent to me from 𝐎𝐅 𝐒𝐅. I'll have all of the information, the promo codes, and the direct links to purchase this wig down below in the description box. This is a 20-inch 13x4 lace front wig. The density is 200%, and the hair texture is twisted curly with curly edges. These curls straight out of the package are so beautiful. I love how they spiral curl at the ends. Let's take a closer look at the hairline. All of the work is already done for us. The knots are sparse and natural looking. They're very tiny, as you can see. The knots have also been deep bleached for us, and the curly edges are a perfect match for this hair texture. This wig is ready to wear straight out of the package, which is perfect for beginners. This is a 13x4 lace front wig cap construction. You can do a middle part, you can do a left or a right side part. You can do so many different hairstyles within the 13x4 amount of lace on this cap. And although curly edges do make the wigs look a lot more natural, if you are not a fan of curly edges or baby hairs in general, you do not have to wear them on the wig. You can just style them by just gelling them out of your face, like going towards the rest of the hair. It's always optional, even if the baby hairs do come on the wig already. Because this is a tighter texture of curly hair, I am going to co-wash the hair first so that it will be easier to style. And here is how the wig looks after being co-washed. So now I'm just going to tint the lace. This is always an optional step. I'm grabbing two different colors of lace tint. The first color is the color of my foundation, and I'm spraying that on the under portion of lace where my hairline will be. And the second color is the color of my scalp, which is a couple of shades lighter than the first color of lace tint, and I'm going to spray that on the inner portion of the lace frontal. I'm doing 2 layers of each color of lace tint and then blow drying after each layer. Now on to styling. I'm grabbing a spray bottle of water, a curling gel, and a Denman brush as well as a detangling comb. In small sections, I'm going to fully saturate the section with water, use my detangling comb to detangle the section, and then apply that curling gel onto the hair, and then use my Denman brush from the bottoms on upwards to get these curls to pop. I'm going to follow those steps for the entire head, and I'll come right back when I'm finished. So now that I am finished defining the curls, I am going to grab my diffuser and diffuse the hair. This is always optional, but it's going to dry the hair as well as give it more body and volume. Here are these beautiful waves and curls after being diffused. So now it is time to cut away that extra lace. I'm just going to use my fingers to smooth those baby hairs and the curly edges backwards so that I can have a very clear view of the hairline. And then I'm going to grab a pair of scissors and slice it down the center to divide it into 2 different sections, which makes it easier to cut off that extra lace. And then I'm going to use a hair clip to make sure that those baby hairs are going backwards so that I don't cut any extra hairs off accidentally. So now that the extra lace is cut off, I'm going to prep my skin by applying alcohol to my forehead and then a couple of layers of scalp protector to my scalp. So now I am grabbing Wonder Lace Bond, and I'm going to spray a very thin layer of that Wonder Lace Bond to the very edge of the under portion of lace. Blow dry for a few seconds until that adhesive becomes tacky, and then I'm going to grab the wig, place it on my head in its proper placement, and then use my fingertips to press the lace and adhesive into my skin. And then I am going to put my headscarf on for about 10 to 15 minutes to allow that adhesive to set. Okay, of course I am going to be showcasing these curly edges. So for the first look, I am going to just use a light hold gel on the curly edges and then use my baby hair brush comb duo just to kind of get these curls to form again, because they did kind of straighten out after I co-washed the wig. So I'm just going to see if it curls up with me like doing a curling motion with my baby hair brush comb duo, and it is curling up a little bit. So I'm going to show you guys with the first look how it will look if you just chose to do the curly edges, and then the next look that I'm going to show you guys a little later on into the video is how it would look if you only did like minimal baby hairs with this wig. And here is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, don't forget to leave them down below in the comment section. I'll have all of the information, the promo codes, and the direct link to this wig from RPG Hair down below in the description box. So check down below for more information. Here is the first look with the full curly edges going on. And then I'm also going to pick out the roots a little bit for more body and volume. And then a little later into the video, I did decide just to gel those baby hairs in the front backwards, and I did like it with minimal curly baby hairs. I did really like how that second style ended up coming out. How do you feel about curly baby hairs? How will you be wearing your hair this spring and summer? Let's chat down below in the comment section. I think this wig will be really cute in balayage highlights. I think this will be super dope in like a red balayage highlight, or maybe like a golden brown balayage highlight look. Let's chat in the comments everything this wig. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Beige. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below and give this video a huge thumbs up. And I can't wait to see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.
It's Beige 𝐤𝐠. Yeah, that's right. It's Beige 𝐤𝐠.